everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do my November Sephora Play unboxing. This came so early this month. I'm like, okay, Sephora's stepping it up, stepping their game up a little bit. So yeah, you guys, make sure you subscribe. There's a button, just press it, and subscribe. Just film this look, so you guys know how I do. You know I'm a little bit extra. So yeah. So let's get into it. This is the November box. So this is what I don't understand. Why they keep giving me hair products. And it's like, you don't know what kind of hair I have, Sephora. So since you're a makeup store, why don't you give me makeup? But I just, like, I'm really getting annoyed with this. So this is Christoph Robin Cleansing Volumizing Paste with Rosule Clay and Rose Extract. I mean, it's like it's a big sample, but like, I don't want hair products. So yeah, I don't know. So then the next thing we got is the Clinique Prep Start Eye Cream. So yeah, it's eye cream. Okay, can it get any smaller? It's literally like how big is this? Okay, the next thing we got is, and this is what I don't understand about Sephora. Like, they're a makeup store. They're giving you a sample of their makeup. Look at this. Look how, oh, I ripped it. Look at this. Like, I mean, really, the Clinique is bigger than this. This is like insane. I'm just like, why? Like, I literally am probably gonna cancel my Sephora Play, but look at this. Like, it's so small. I mean, it's a cute color and everything, but why is it so small? Like, it's a cream lip stain, and the last one they gave me I actually liked and tried to buy, and it was discontinued. So I was like, you're giving us stuff in the box that's discontinued, so I don't know. That was a red one though. This box is such a miss for me. Like, this powder that they gave us the Makeup Forever HD setting powder. I'm gonna insert a picture of when I wore this powder. This powder played me so bad. I have the worst flashback from this powder because it's literally like stark white. So maybe someone who's like fair skin, like, it's not for people who are chocolate, because it gave me the worst flashback ever because it's like stark white. It's like, yeah, this is the Ultra HD Microfine. It's a fine powder. It feels good. It's nice, but it flashes back, and I'm like, I can't wear that. Like, they're not gonna catch me slipping and catch me with flashback. Well, I mean, I actually did, but I didn't post the pictures. But yeah, it was like flashback all over. I was like, is this a joke? And my makeup was slaying that day too. I was so mad. So yeah, I'll put the picture in, or I probably already put the picture in. Then we got Flower Bomb from Victor & Roth. Now, I actually love perfume samples. Like, I live for perfume samples. So the only thing I'm actually kind of excited about using is this Coconut Micellar Makeup Melter. Dissolves all makeup, even long wear. So I'm like, clearly when I do makeup like this, something like this might help me. So I'm gonna try this out, and I'll, let you guys know what I think. So yeah, that was the Sephora Play box for November. Don't forget, I have my own beauty box called the Glitz Glam box, and you guys can order it. We're taking pre-orders now. We're starting to ship next week, and yeah, it's the December launch, glitzglambox.com. The Instagram I'll put here, and you can follow us on there, get all the updates. We're also having Glitz Glam Cosmetics, so stay tuned. We're gonna have a Black Friday sale. Okay, y'all? Okay, we're not playing. We don't do basic, clearly. So this is the palette you get in the box. I used literally only 100% the palette. Let me get it. It's right here. the Glitter Holic palette. Don't mind mine because I've been using it a lot to show you guys tutorials on looks that you can do. But yeah, it's only $15 and you get all full size. So you can get this, or you can get or this. I just think this is like really. I'm just like, Sephora, come on now. Now, it's the Sephora brand. You can't give one full-size item, like, really? But, yeah. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Till the next video. Bye.